All right, Tesla fam, let's break down when you should use Tesla's Sentry mode to keep your car safe. First, when parked in public or high traffic areas. If you're leaving your Tesla in spots like shopping malls, city streets, or crowded parking lots, Sentry mode is perfect for monitoring suspicious activity and capturing footage of what's happening around your car. Second, when parked overnight in unfamiliar or unsecured locations. If you're staying at a hotel, visiting a new place, or parking somewhere without dedicated security, Sentry mode gives you peace of mind by acting as your Tesla's security guard. Next, when parking in areas with a history of vandalism or theft. If you're parking in a spot where you've heard of car break-ins or damage, turning on Sentry mode can help deter unwanted behavior and record evidence if anything does happen. Lastly, when leaving your Tesla in long-term parking. Whether it's at an airport or a train station, activating Sentry mode ensures your car is under watch while you're away. Keep in mind that Sentry mode does use some battery, so make sure you're charged up if you're using it for extended periods. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.